Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson. Nature created man and woman as equals. Through the previous video, you came to know about how women contributed in the development of the society, how women work as men can work, what modern women can do, and how they can do all the works like men. That all you came to know about through the previous video. So here let us conclude the lesson where our paragraph starts with then she asks her mother further. So what are the few of the last paragraphs about? Let us begin. Here the phrase thrown light on means gave explanation or information. So what is it? Through the explanation given by Ashangbi, Lanthui understands that how men and women are equal, and she also understands that how the world is still unequal. That is what how the world treat women unequally. What is further, Lanthui asks her mother for the provisions which make women free from suppression, legal provisions. Here the word legal means related to law. So what are the arrangements for women? Using them they can do what they wish to do. Here the word potential means the qualities that exist and can be developed. In short, we can say ability. So women too have physical and mental potential, and so they can't be suppressed. So what is further in the conversation of Ashangbi and Lanthui? Let us see. Here, her mother, Lanthoi's mother, starts giving explanation to her question. What is that? She explains the dimensions or aspects of United Nation. What aspects or dimensions they have followed to show, or they are following to show that a new world is of equality. Here the phrase under the aegis means with the support of. So with the support of United Nations, what provisions are made to show that new world is of equality, that is given over here. So these are the four dimensions or aspects of United Nations. First, equal access to basic social services including health and education. So in all these services, men as well as women have equal opportunities. Next, equal participation in political and economic decision making. In these two fields also, men and women are are equally treated, and both of them have the equal rights. Next, equal reward for equal work. So what equal work men and women are doing, they must get the equal reward. Maybe man or maybe woman, whatever work they are doing, that is same type of work. So they should get the reward same. It is that. Next, elimination of discrimination and violence against women. Here the word elimination means getting rid of. So elimination of discrimination means getting rid of discrimination. What discrimination? Men and women. this this type of discrimination should be eliminated, should be society should get rid of it, and also should get rid of the violence against women. So these are the four provisions, sorry, dimensions of United Nations. Let us see further what is given. Giving this information, Ashangbi concluded that the men and women are equal. Lanthui understands the topic of her speech and, confident of her success, she thanks her mother next day and steps on the way to school. So, as she starts walking, what she finds there? The blue sky, sorry, first of all, bright morning sun welcomes her. Next, the blue sky meets the range of the eastern mountains, it is also over there. And the last, when the girl goes ahead and ahead, she has to go through the trail. Here the word trail means path through a forest, field, etc. So through the forest, field, etc. places, the girl observes the distant purple mountain and goes towards her school. So it is the summary of the lesson where the girl Lanthoi comes to know about equality of men and women, and she too have the same thoughts that men and women should be treated equally. So what dimensions United Nations made, that is given in the last part of this lesson. What vision Lanthoi meet, that is given, and what is the, sorry, what the vision symbolizes, that is also given in the last part of this lesson. So what does the vision symbolizes? That is a positive and bright future for Lanthoi and for the women of the country. So after getting all of the thoughts and the atmosphere equal, where men and women treated equally in such a family, Lanthoi was growing. So definitely she will also have the same attitude. So this is all about the lesson, nature created man and woman as equals. I hope you all will understand the given explanation, and also you will develop the attitude where you too will think of the equality between men and women.